Welcome to TechLeap channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert online images on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open up any document. Now from here, to insert online images, just click on Insert tab and then click on Pictures. On the illustrations option you can find pictures, so just click here and then choose any option, place in cell, place over cell. Now I am select place over cells and then choose online pictures. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Now here you can find some categories. Also, if you want to search a category, then you can easily do it from here. Just put the cursor on the search bar. Now if I type bus and then press enter, then choose any picture. If I select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see the online images has been inserted successfully. And that is how you can insert online images on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.